In this video I'm going to show you guys how to turn off autoplay on YouTube. This will work on both iOS and Android of course, so if you want to turn off autoplay on YouTube, then make sure you watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started. First of all, open your YouTube app, click on a video you want and just uncheck this autoplay button, and that's basically it. But what you can also do, go to your account on the top right corner, click on settings and scroll down, and as you can see right here, autoplay is here as well, and uncheck that, and that's basically the same. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'd appreciate that. Bye.
If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.